Greetings everyone and welcome to the Crypt. Today we will be looking at the S.H.Figuarts Chainsaw Man.
Finish it! Finish it!
Bro, it's been a long time coming for this figure. My brother and I, we're big fans of the S.H.Figuarts line, especially the Dragon Ball Z line.
Carrot cake!
But here he is, Chainsaw Man. As I'm sure you already know, I'm a huge Chainsaw Man fan. Been counting down the days for this figure. So starting with the box, this is your typical S.H.Figuarts style box. You got the small peeking window, awesome product shots. The colors on the box actually remind me of the volume 1 of the manga. You know, the orange and green and splatter, and it's pretty damn sick. Another big product shot on the front, on the sides. But that's enough of the box. Let's get my boy open.
Alrighty.
And here is Chainsaw Man / Dingy out of the packaging. And what a sick ass figure.
Booty is all.
That being said, I absolutely have some gripes, some nitpicks, but we will get to that. First, it has to be said, the sculpting and painting on this figure are awesome. The blood, the dirty shirt, look at them, look at them sharp ass chainsaw blades. Ah, shit. So before we get too deep, let's take a look at his accessories.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
And here we have Chainsaw Man's accessories. Loving the Venom vibes on this one. Damn, boy! Of course, you got the closed jaw, then you got the open one. Perfect paint job. Perfect sculpt. Look at that tongue. Look at that Venom tongue.
Damn, boy! He's thick, boy!
The closed jaw is also good. Except whatever shit we got going on right here. But nonetheless, still pretty damn sick.
Count 'em, two.
Ties. You got your straight matte black, focused straight matte black tie. And then you got this crazy wavy gravy
at all.
wavy gravy tie. The hands are interesting. You'll notice they have a split down the middle. Kind of get part 4 Jason. But that of course is for the chainsaw blades to fit in. Or I guess for the hands to fit in the chainsaw blades. So we got 2 fisted hands, 2 relaxed hands, and 2 titty grabbing hands.
I really want to touch her boobs.
Oh, please excuse the butt cheeks, by the way. Wait. So let me show you how this hand shit works out. Alright, so we want a booty grabbing hand over here. Simply split them apart, just like butt cheeks. And you see the small, there's a small peg in the chainsaw blade. Simply take the hand with this peg, shove that in one side, and take your other hand, plug it in. That also goes for if you're wanting to flip his wrist around, you know. He doesn't have wrist articulation, spoilers, but I mean, it's as simple as easy peasy. As simple as that right there.
Don't worry, I've been drinking.
So now that we have gotten the accessories out of the way, let's get into Chainsaw Man himself.
Hey, pull my finger!
This is a badass figure. What a wonderful sculpt. What wonderful paintwork. The details in his neck. The mechanical parts of the chainsaw. You can see his eye. The light up eye just slightly showing through there. This sick ass chainsaw blade. Sharp.
Shit.
Bloody. Fantastic. Again, the mouth, the teeth, the tongue. Moving on to the torso. Denji's rocking the dirty dress shirt. Love the white plastic, cream kind of plastic with the dirty highlights here and there. Back to the wavy gravy tie. Pleated dress pants. Back to these blades though, I'm loving the blood. Would love to get some more blood in our S.H.Figuarts figures. Hint, hint. And then, boy, look at them big ass shoes. Denji rocking the Claude Hopper 7s. Yeah! The big shoes also help posing, as well as being manga anime accurate. So let's get into the gripes. They're very minor, very nitpicky, not a big deal. Look, the blood, I would love more blood. That's my only gripe. Not even a gripe. I mean, I think it's absolutely fantastic for the first Chainsaw Man we're getting. Maybe like a battle damaged Denji Chainsaw Man, or, you know, just a more bloody variant would be really cool. And then what has got to be my biggest picnic.
We could have a picnic.
And then what has got to be my biggest picnic. Our face tends to fall off.
I saw it. I know what I saw, shit for brains. Why are you telling me what you saw? If I could sit there and tell people what I fucking saw too. And what I saw was much more, I fucking saw it much more clearly than you did, you fucking idiots. Fuck.
Well, that's obviously because the bottom jaw is rubbing against that neck piece there. However, a little bit of patience. And a little bit of adjustments here. Oh, son of a bitch. Alright, so the closed mouth is definitely easier to keep on. But this is a double peg, barbell, whatever, neck joint. So you got the ball here and the ball here. So, I mean, with a little bit of adjustments, I'm sure you can get that where you need it. Yeah, just gotta play around with it. Alright, so I've showed off the head. Do a little bit of articulation, you know. Get your child out of here. So let's get our boy Chainsaw Man into some figure comparisons.
I don't remember what I saw.
Here we have Chainsaw Man next to S.H.Figuarts Cooler, S.H.Figuarts Super Boo, S.H.Figuarts Broly, S.H.Figuarts Broly, and S.H.Figuarts Suicide Squad Harley Quinn. So that pretty much wraps it up for S.H.Figuarts Chainsaw Man. Overall, I think this is an absolutely fantastic figure. I hope and I know that we're seeing more from Chainsaw Man in the S.H.Figuarts lineup. Again though, I think it would be incredibly sick to get a bloody variant, like a super bloody variant, like maybe a battle damaged variant. I think that'd be sick as hell. But for the time being, this is a damn fine figure. So let's get this thing over with. I give S.H.Figuarts Chainsaw Man a
Charlie! They took my soul!
next time. Are you sick and tired of Chainsaw Man yet?